Today, we're going to be doing a walkthrough of the Center for Science and Business, aka the CSB, here at Monmouth College. As you walk through the front doors here, you'll see some historical photos on the wall. Here is the Veterans Memorial Room on the second floor of the CSB. This is a very popular lounge for students to come and study. As we walk down the hallway here, we'll turn the corner and see some breakout rooms, which are individual study rooms for our students to do homework. And here we can see one of our sororities selling lemonade and other drinks for a fundraiser. As we walk up the stairs here to the third floor, we will see an overhead view of the Veterans Memorial Room. Here we'll see the future space of the Monmouth College Nursing Clinical Lab. And back here is just another study room, a nice area for students to find some quiet time. The third floor of CSB is where a lot of our labs are located, as we'll take a look at a couple of them right here. Down these hallways, you'll also find a couple lounge areas with a nice view. As we hop in the elevator, we're going to head down to the first floor, where we come out and immediately see the pod, where students can get snacks and drinks with their flex dollars as part of their meal plans, or with a normal card. Here we're walking into CSB 100, which is one of our bigger classrooms. Today we walked in on lecturer Jen Braun's class, who teaches classes in the School of Health and Natural Sciences. As we walk out, we're going to be entering into the Mellinger Commons on the first floor of CSB. We host events here, as well as have areas for students to study. As we walk out of the back doors here, we're going to see the amphitheater, where there are classes held when it's nice out, and even concerts occasionally. We walk up the steps and see the fountain and pan around to the back side of the CSB. Thanks for walking through with me.